Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to send message and video on WhatsApp. So let's start it. Just open WhatsApp app and here you have to click this icon on send message. Now you have to choose any number and here I want to send message to this person. So now you have to enter your message as I have entered hello and then send. If you want to send any media file to this person, so you have just click on this icon and here you have to choose it, and I have selected this video and then click on this icon. Now you have to send it. If you want to add privacy, you can add by this, and here this video will be sent to the person. So we have successfully sent message and video to that person on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.